Do you know that more than 80% of Indians believe that they are suffering or are stuck in their jobs or probably not happy in their jobs? And I'm serious, even I was shocked. I randomly searched on ChatGPT that tell me the percentage of Indians not happy in their jobs or dissatisfied in their jobs. I was thinking the percentage would be 80%, but to my surprise, it is 86%, which is beating a global percentage of 66% average as well, which is so high in India. In this scenario, for me, I would like to share just one thing that you can do daily. That one thing is anything that makes you happy, and it should be a productive hobby. Any activity that you want to do. It's not like you drink, you are smoking, something that leads you to something, increases your productivity, efficiency, and simply makes you happier, relating both the aspects. It should be productive and making you the happier version of yourself, and start doing it daily, because there are many things which you are doing because of you are bounded by the financial things that you have that you have to support to your family, and then there are things that you have to do for yourself. You want to step out and do your job, and the societal norms are there. So among all this, are you doing something for yourself, for your happiness? I think the answer is no. In that scenario, the important thing, do that one thing. It can be a hobby, going to a gym, or probably joining a dance class or a yoga class, or picking up the phone and reaching out to a friend daily. But you need to do one thing daily to be becoming a happy version of yourself, because life is finite and you have to be happy, and happy doing what you love, not others wanting you to do, or not that you have to do the job, or you have to do the job to support financially, but also something which can make you happy each day and bring that immense smile on your face. So with that note, I will see you tomorrow, and wishing you an amazing Monday, a motivational Monday. Take care of yourself and stay rocking.